Here's a great example of when something can get easily overlooked when it seems like sometimes common sense isn't so common. This is the oil drain gasket. This was bolted directly on here, and the gasket was sitting there just like that. In case you can't see that, there's no hole for the drain to go, for the oil to pass through the drain. So it was just blocked off. I guess what happened was the guy who was supposed to cut the hole in the center of the gasket wasn't at work that day. Here's another gasket. That's what it's supposed to look like. Here's the drain. This drain is actually very well done, but it doesn't matter because the oil drain gasket blocked it completely off. It smells really bad inside this turbo. They took it down the track, did 6 passes, and he said that he just couldn't fix the leak problem. So let's see what he had to say. I'm not really that good at reading, so I'm just going to try. Pretty sure turbo needs rebuild or seal replacement. Turbo was ran several times on previous car with no catch can at all and a 10 AN return that downsized it to about 6 AN within the fitting. It started blowing oil out the exhaust after the car ran 5 to 6 good times. Decided to try it on my new setup and it instantly blew oil. My setup is correct drain, crankcase, pressure, and turbo isn't cocked funny or anything. You're professional, so I'll take any suggestions you have. I can also email pictures of the motor and setup if you need. Thank you for your time. P.S. Large O-ring on compressor housing is ripped. My suggestion would be to use an oil drain gasket that has a hole in the center of it.